Take one last look at this ugly brown wall because this bedroom makeover is finally happening. Well, you'll probably get another look at it before it's all said and done because each step of this project will take about 7 to 10 business days due to the fact that it's summer break and there's an exorbitant amount of kids and a baby living here. I've been about to start painting for weeks, but now that it's started, I'm so excited. I've got one kid at camp, one at a friend's house, the baby is napping, and my older daughter is hanging out in here entertaining the baby when she does wake up. But let's just face it, I know I will only be able to work in short spurts, but that's okay. I'm not in much of a rush other than I have about 3 million other projects I'm already planning in my head. Doesn't it already look way better? And this is just the primer. I'm going to do the walls a shade of white with a blue accent wall behind the bed, and I'm using the same blue that I used on the front door if you saw those videos because I love that color. And also, if I try to add more shades into this whole decision-making process, I'm gonna get overwhelmed. I'm doing everything from painting to decorating to finding the perfect furniture for our bedroom. So if you love a good DIY journey, make sure you follow along, and I'll see you tomorrow.